like a diamond. Hello loves, welcome to the Sparkle Z Boutique. Today I am coming to you because again I want to change the colors in my living room, and I would love to have your input on some of the things that I want to change. And I have added here some inspiration pictures just so you can get an idea of what direction that I'm trying to go into. I will have how the living room look now, and I will also show how it looked previously. It would be awesome if you can help me decide by putting in the comment section what you would change about the existing things that I have in my living room. I'm so happy that you are taking this time with me. I would also love, if you haven't already, to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and set up notifications so you can be notified every time I post. When you view my videos and share them, they really help my channel, and it really motivates me to want to come and give you more content. Okay, I already decided that I want to change the navy blue and the light gray to more of a black, a gunmetal gray, and a possibly white or silver. I haven't decided yet. I know I'm going to need something to brighten up the black, but I really wanted this black modern glam look, and so I'm going to be keeping the couch the same, but I'm going to let you know what projects I tend to do, because I want this to be a new series of decorating my living room, or remaking over my living room. So first here we have this same table that I've been saying I'm gonna redo forever and ever, amen. And then here I have taken some pillows away, have the mirror on top, and I used to have some hanging crystals from here. I took those down and just let the chandelier. I would add clips of how it looked before, so you can get a general idea of where I came from and where I'm going. Then we have the two end tables that I got from my brother, love you Chancellor, on each end. And I'm intended to recover this lampshade. And I said that, it caught me. I said, you know what, I should stop because I don't know what I want to do with everything. So I figured I would go ahead and record this so you guys can help me as much as you can. And then I have a regular tablecloth here and the same chase from before. I also wanted to mention I purchased a staple gun. I will be attempting to reupholster this chair. I'm trying to find some material that is very similar to the couch. I got this one wall wallpapered with the demand. And then I have gray here. And then in my entrance in the door is painted black with just a full-length mirror and two tall vases, one on each side. And I have a crystal globe down here at the bottom. It's a light fixture that I want to change this out to there. And on this wall, you know, I painted that black, but I moved the mirrors. The idea I have for this is I spray painted some IKEA shelves, and I want to put 6 up there and style it. And I want to paint this buffet. I don't know what color yet, but I definitely want to redo it some type of way. And then I just did a video on this wall right here. I really don't have any plans of putting anything on that wall, but that's that. And then we have the 2 bar stools. And then over here, I had some tan curtains that I dyed with navy blue red. And I like the way they turned out because they took color well, but I think that the curtains are too dark. Because when you close it, it looks very dark. But I got these curtains for a good price on Facebook Marketplace, and they go all the way down to the floor. And I put the crystal pieces that I had up here, I put them one on each side of these curtains, and I really do like that look. So my idea is to take this wallpaper right here. I really want a modern black look. This wallpaper I got from Amazon, which is a damask wallpaper. And I don't know if I want to redo this. I don't know if I want to redo this wall with that, or I'm thinking it'd be too dark if I put it all on this wall, or if I'm just going to do this wall and then take this wallpaper down and put that so it won't be so busy. And I have an idea with these curtains to but some of the stuff I want to be a surprise, but I just want y'all to let me know what y'all think down below in the comment section. I definitely want to recover the chair. And another big thing, I got a rug for down here because to me this rug is too small. Here is a look at the rug that I already purchased. And as you can see, the navy blue is in the rug. And I don't want to do the navy blue anymore. I just want to do gray, silver, or gunmetal, and black. And my idea was to give it pops of color. It's possible that I can paint or do something with this table here with a pop of white for this table and maybe a pop of white with the buffet. I'm not sure. Again, your input would be appreciated. So let me give you an overlook of everything again. And like I said, these are IKEA shelves that I painted black, that I plan to hang up here. So we have the wall with the buffet. It's a water spot where I lift water on it. I have to sand it down. So then here's the entrance area. These are the tables, the couch, the other end table, the fireplace, of course, this wall over here. And I really want to do my patio too, but I promised myself one room at a time. And then from this way, you have the bar stools. I don't know if I should do something different color with that, whether it be the wood or the fabric, not sure. And as you can see, the walls in my hallway are black too. There's something about that black. I would never thought I would like it, but it makes me feel cozy. And that's the effect that I want to have in my living room, is a cozy, well, my whole home is a really cozy feeling that's beautiful but not overpowering. I hope y'all noticed the furniture that I took out and that it's not as crowded as it was. Hopefully you can see those differences. And like I said before, leave down below what y'all think about everything. I love you guys. And as always, be your own kind of beautiful, because you, my love, are beautiful. See you next time. Bye.